Welcome to this feature spotlight on tasks in Virtual Cabinet. In this video, I'll be showing you how to start new tasks and manage the tasks assigned to you. If you haven't seen our video on introducing the concept of tasks, then I'd recommend watching this first. You can start a task as a document is indexed, or by searching for the document and starting a task at any time. When indexing a document, use the File and Action option to also start a task for this document. The task can be for you or for somebody else. When searching for documents, select Start a Task to start a new task for the selected documents. Choose what type of task you need to start, who should be working on it, and add a comment for the new worker of the task if necessary. You will manage all of your tasks from within your intray. Here you can see all the tasks that are assigned to you or are assigned to a group you are a member of. Use the panel on the right to change focus and see tasks assigned to specific users or groups. The list of tasks will give you all the information about what you're working on, much like a list of documents in the Search tab. Any tasks highlighted in bold are new and unread. You'll get a pop-up notification when a new task is assigned to you, and the red number on the taskbar of unread items will also increase, ensuring you never miss something new. Here's a handy tip. Use the Columns button at the top to add information such as client name or document type to the list of tasks. This information will be based on the primary document in the task. Let's open a task to work on it. The list of documents linked to this task are in the middle. Open these or right-click on them to perform any of the normal document actions, such as edit or publish to the portal. Comments are at the bottom. Add a new comment at any time to help your colleagues who will also be working on this task. In the top left are the actions you can perform to complete this task. These are customizable and represent the next possible steps in your business process. This action might create a new task as part of the process workflow, or it might be the final task in the process. Either way, you'll be guided to what you need to do next. You can reassign the task if someone else needs to work on this task instead. Top tip: by assigning a task to a group, you can easily allow more than one person to collaborate on the same task. You can reschedule the task if the due by date changes. You can view the full process history to see what other people have worked on before you. You can also change the priority of the task. Don't worry, managers, all of these options are customizable if you don't want people changing things. Use the Document tab at the top to add or remove documents from this task. Change the primary document of the task, or change the order of the documents in the task. You can also use the Create button to generate a new document based on a document creation template to add directly into this task. Here's another handy tip. Perform a quick search for other documents against the client by using the search button next to their client name on the document. You can also perform many of these key actions from within the new Virtual Cabinet Go mobile app. Open tasks, documents, action tasks, and assign them to someone else, all whilst out of the office. In summary, you can start a task as you're indexing a document or when searching, and you can manage all your outstanding tasks from within your intray. From within a task, you can open the documents, manage the task, and then complete it. If you're interested in setting up tasks in your business, then contact your account manager today to discuss your options.